In this video, we are going to install WordPress from our control panel. So I'm just presuming that you've already gotten a hosting account with the control panel and you've registered your domain. So the first thing you want to do is go and look for software/services, and depending on your hosting account, this may be slightly different. So here you'll see Softaculous, and a popular one is also Fantastico Deluxe, or you may see Auto Install. And if you don't see any of these, then you just want to contact your hosting provider and just find out exactly which auto installer they have. They all basically pretty much work the same. So so I'm just going to go ahead and use Softaculous because that's the software that is available in this hosting account. And what you will do is you see a list of scripts, software that you can install using this auto installer, and WordPress is the first one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click install, and then you have a couple of options here. And the first thing you want to do is choose the location from which you are in which you're going to install WordPress. So you go through your domains, and in this case I'm going to install on wpvideopsychic.com, and the next thing is the directory in which you're going to install WordPress. Now if you leave this area blank, then it will install in the root of your domain. So in this case it would install at wpvideopsychic.com. But if you type something in this area, such as news or blog, then it will install at wpvideopsychic.com / and blog, and that will be the location of your site. Now, most of the other settings are pretty straightforward. So the next thing is you want to give your site a name. So in this case, I'm going to call it WP Video Sidekick. And one of the things I just like about Softaculous, and it's not available in all the other installers, is just the ability to customize this part. Of course, I give a site description, become a WP Pro, and really the more unique you can make your installation is the safer your site will be. So the next thing we look at is the admin account, and by default it will say admin, and I advise that you change this because this is a serious security vulnerability. So you want to change that, and of course create a unique password. Now, because this is a demonstration video, I'm just going to leave it the username as admin and just create a password, because of course I'm not going to use this for any serious purposes. And you just want to add your email, and this will be used for communications from the site to you. So if there are updates, if there are comments to be approved on your site, then it will go to that email. So then we just click install, and this will happen pretty quickly, as you will find. And there you go, it's pretty much finished, and that's how quickly it works. And what has happened in the background is that all the technical stuff, the MySQL databases, the installing of WordPress, and you will see that the location of your site is wpvideopsychic.com /blog, and the administrative URL is wpvideopsychic.com / blog wp-admin, and that is where you would go to log into the backend of your site. So just go and we're going to go and check out the site, and what you will see here is one of the default themes and just some content that has been created just so that your site isn't there and you can get a feel of what the site will look like. And of course there's a test post, there's a test page, and of course you will want to edit it, and this is what we are going to do in the next set of videos, and that is to customize our site.